background noise.
But
Okay, now it's perfect. I was saying I could hear some background noise, but it's fine. Okay. Hello, good evening. Hello, good evening. Hello, how are you?
I am fine.
Okay, how old are you? Dakshu, how old are you? Hmm.
2 year old.
I am 2 years old. I am 2 years old.
I am 2 years old.
Very good. What's your name? What's
My
your
name is
name?
Akshita Dua. My name is Akshita Dua.
Okay, it's beautiful name. Dakshita
Thank you.
Dua is so beautiful. Okay, welcome. Okay, have you had your dinner? Have you had dinner?
बोलो
Have you had dinner? No. Okay, okay. What
I'm
do you
eating
like?
mango.
Tell me what.
mango.
Mango. You like mangoes?
Yes.
Okay, what? Okay, what's your favorite food? Tell me, what's your favorite food?
आपको क्या अच्छा लगता है?
सबसे अच्छा You tell me what's your favorite
मैंगो
food? You like paratha? Do you like paratha? Pizza? Burger? What do you like?
आलू बोलो आलू पिज्जा लगता है पिज्जा लगता है
Pizza. Okay. I love too pizza. I love too. Dakshu, what were you doing?
I am eating
Were you
mango.
playing?
I am
Didi se
eating
pehle.
mango.
Okay. Were you playing?
What you say?
Okay,
No,
tell
no.
me any rhyme. Johnny, Johnny,
Papa.
eating
Eating.
sugar,
Papa.
eating sugar,
No, Papa.
telling lies.
No, Papa.
Open your mouth.
Ma'am, she's eating a t-shirt.
Okay. No problem. She is too young to understand. Yeah. Okay, tell me any one. Other one. Twinkle, twinkle.
Ma'am, she don't know this rhyme.
Sorry.
ऊपर मैम she don't know this rhyme.
Okay, twinkle, twinkle. She doesn't know.
Rain, rain,
Rain,
go
rain.
away. Little
Go.
the shoe.
Come again. Come
Another
again.
day. Another day.
Okay,
Little the
little
shoe.
Dakshu
What
wants to play.
wants to
Rain,
rain,
rain.
rain.
Go away.
Go away. ऊपर पंखा.
Well done.
चल तो आए.
नीचे बेबी सोता है. सोते सोते खा ले बेटा.
खाले बेटा नाम is calling you, no? नाम calling you.
Hmm. So tell me, how has your day been so far?
My day is going well.
Okay, what did you do since morning?
Ah,
What did you do?
ma'am, she is fighting with me.
Okay. Okay, she wants to grab the phone. How will you say?
Means
She wants to grab the phone.
she want to grab the force.
Yes. How will you say? She wants to grab the phone. Means snatch the phone. आपके फोन को छीनना चाहती
She
है ना?
want to grab the force.
Yes. Can you tell me spelling of grab?
GRAP.
फिर वॉल्यूम कम करो. grab. Spelling of grab.
G-R-A-P.
Very good. Yes. Okay, how is the weather today?
No, I don't know.
Weather. You know what is
That
the
means
what is the meaning of weather?
I know. And now I don't know what is weather in.
Okay. Like, is it hot? Is it humid? Is it cold? Is it pleasant?
Is it pleasant?
Not pleasant. Pleasant. How will you say pleasant?
Pleasant. Wait, the wait.
Okay.
Here.
Can you tell me spelling of pleasant?
Then please a pleasant.
Pleasant. We pronounce it pleasant. Pleasant.
P-L-E-A-S-E-N-T.
No. Pleasant.
S-A-N-T.
Yes. Pleasant. A-N-T. Can you say that again?
P-L-E-A-S-A-N-T.
Yes. Very good. Pleasant means, you know, what is the meaning of pleasant?
Normal climate.
Yes.
Not
Normal
very
climate.
hot and not very cold.
Yes. It is neither hot nor cold. Right. Okay.
It is neither hot or neither cold.
Neither hot nor cold. We use neither nor either or. Neither hot nor cold.
Neither or hot nor cold.
Yes. Tell me spelling of neither.
N-I-E-T-H-E-R.
Neither.
N-E-I-T-H-E-R.
N-E-I. Neither. T-H-E-R.
N-E-I-T-H-E-R.
Yes. Neither. Nor. Nor.
N-O-R.
Yes. Very good. Okay. So, do you know what are small talks?
Number?
Small talks. Small talks. Talk means, you know what is the meaning of talk?
Yes, ma'am.
Tell me. Chit chat. Chit chat.
Small.
Siraj?
Ma'am, like chit chat.
Yes. Now we are talking. Talk means बातें करना. We are talking now. Right? Small talk means we just need to say hi, how are you? Right? How is the weather? In small talks, we ask only 3 questions. Hi, how are you?
Ma'am, like we are going to home, we are going to school, someone is here and we say bye.
Yes, yes. When we enter the room, we say hi, good morning, ma'am. Right? Sometimes we say, how are you? Right? So these are small talks. In small talks, we ask only 2 or 3 questions. Right? So if someone comes to your house, then how would you start a conversation? How would you ask a question? How would you do small talks? Tell me.
Hi.
Yes. Hi.
How are you?
Yes. Full sentence.
What is your name?
First of all,
I will ask, how are you? What is your name? Hi.
yes. Hi. How are you? Yes. And then, please have a seat. Right?
Please have a seat.
Yes. Then, what would you ask for?
I will ask for water.
Yes. Very nice. Then,
should you like to drink water?
no. We would just give them water. Right? We don't need to ask whether you want water or not. We just serve them. Right? Yes. Then, after that, you can ask for, would you like to have tea, coffee, or soft drinks? How will you say? What would you like to have?
What could you have to drink? Coffee, coffee, cold coffee or
Yes.
hot coffee, soft drinks,
Then we can ask. And if someone,
nimbu pani,
yes, very good. Yes. So if someone,
glucon-D.
yes, amazing. Yes. If someone says no, no, Sirat, I don't want anything, then what would you do?
What?
If someone says, I don't want anything, I don't want tea, coffee, soft drinks, I don't want anything, then what would you do? तब आप क्या करेंगे अगर मैं मना कर देता है कोई गेस्ट आपको नहीं चाहिए मुझे टी कॉफी सॉफ्ट ड्रिंक देन व्हाट वुड यू डू
What you want to eat?
यस यू कैन आस्क फॉर फूड व्हाट वुड यू लाइक टू ईट व्हाट वुड यू
What would you like to eat?
यस देन if someone says no
Then we will give.
I don't want anything
Then we will give dry fruits.
yes 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 and you can give them whatever is available at your home right you can give some snacks right
Like fruits.
yeah fruits dry fruits okay and according to weather if it is hot if it is summer then you can serve them soft drinks juices nimbu pani right
If it is hot, we can give them cold drink. But when it is cold, we can give
Winter.
them tea, coffee, and noodles.
yes yes nice very
When it is hot, we can give them cold things, and then when it is cold, we can give hot things.
yes you can say when it is summer when it is winters according to the weather according to season you know how many seasons are
If
there
it is rainy, we can. If it is rainy, we can give them pakoras.
yes very nice
Ma'am, there are 5 seasons.
yes there are 5 seasons in India can you tell me names hello Siraj did you get a call hello
What, ma'am?
did you get a call
Yes, ma'am.
did you get a call आपको कॉल आई थी
Oh, ma'am.
okay because meeting was disconnected I thought you were getting a call okay no problem hello
Hello.
so Siraj I was yes we were
Ma'am,
discussing about
there are 5 seasons. First is winter.
she is
Second is
imitating
summer.
you
Yes, ma'am.
what is she doing
Ma'am, what you are saying? Ma'am, what you are saying?
yes okay sorry
Ma'am, what you are saying?
okay how will you say come again ma'am come again
Ma'am, come again.
yes yeah I was saying what is she doing she is imitating you
Well, he's playing.
yes and how will you say sometimes she imitates me
Sometimes he imitates me.
she imitates me
She imitates me.
you know imitate means
Ma'am, परेशान करना,
नहीं कॉपी करना
कॉपी करना.
yes
Sometimes she imitates me.
yes so sometimes she imitates me can you tell me spelling of imitate
I-double-M-I-T-A-T-E.
no
I-M-I.
T-A-T-E
No, Dakshu. T-A-T-E.
yes
मेरे हाथ. She is writing with pen on my arm.
no problems yeah she's too young so have you written spelling of imitate
Which?
imitate IMITATE.
IMITATE.
Yes. So sometimes she imitates me. Imitate means copy karna. Okay? Yes.
When we are talking about some seasons.
Yes. Tell me five seasons.
5 seasons. Ma'am, she's taking phone.
She is grabbing.
Then she has taken phone.
She has taken
She
my
has taken
phone.
phone.
She has taken.
She has taken phone.
She has taken.
She has taken phone.
So where is your mama?
My mama is in drawing room.
Okay.
Some guests have, my boo has come.
Okay.
Mama.
So you can,
No.
Sirat, you can give her notebook and a pencil.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Then. Mhm. Okay,
Then she's not giving me.
Dakshu, you go downstairs. Mama is calling you.
Then we are on ground floor.
Okay. So you can ask Mama, Mama, she is disturbing me.
My mama says that I am giving chocolate, so she runs.
Okay. Okay, great. Now you can.
The name of 5 seasons are winter, summer, monsoon, spring, and autumn.
Very good. And which season do you like the most?
Monsoon and spring.
Monsoon and
Spring.
spring.
No, ma'am, 3. Monsoon. No, ma'am, only 2. Monsoon and spring.
Monsoon and spring. So why do you like spring season?
Because in spring season, the flowers,
Blooms.
the flowers grows.
Blooms.
Many flowers blooms.
Yes. And you know, spring season comes in the month of February and March.
February and March.
Yes. I also like spring season because weather is so pleasant, right? In February and March, weather is quite pleasant.
Yes, ma'am. It is not very cold and not very hot.
Yes, neither hot nor cold.
And in autumn, what is the weather?
It comes in the month of November, October, November.
So it is cold.
Yes, that time just cold starts. October and November, it just starts.
And November to January it is cold.
Yes, December and January, yes. So don't you like winters?
Winters?
Yes, don't you like?
Some. Half I like.
Which month do you like? December and or January?
Winter.
Yes, which month do you like? Yes.
December.
Okay, so why don't you like winters? Tell me. What is the reason? Why don't you like?
When we get fever.
Because of too much cold, right?
Yes.
Okay. So don't you like to put on sweaters, jackets? Do you like to put on?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Yes. So let me share a screen. Okay. So first of all, we will tell me any story. Thirsty Crow.
And story.
Yes, thirsty crow.
Thirsty crow.
Yes. You know?
Ma'am, thirsty crow they need water.
Yes, once upon a time.
Once upon a time, there was a thirsty crow. Then he need water.
Yes, he was looking for water here and
He
there.
was looking for water. Near that he standing there was no water. He saw मटके को क्या बोलेंगे?
Pot. After some time. No, first of all, you tell me. Once upon a time, there was a crow.
Once upon a time there was a crow.
He was very thirsty.
He was very thirsty. He was looking for water.
Here and there.
There was no water. After some time.
No, how will you say? But he did not get water anywhere.
But he did not got water anywhere. So
He did not get water anywhere.
He did not gotten water anywhere. After some time, मटके को इंग्लिश में क्या बोलेंगे? He was a pot.
After some time, he saw a pot.
After some time, he saw a pot. Then he go near the pot. So there was little water
In it.
In it. So he go and got some small.
He got an idea.
He got an idea.
Yes, and he started putting pebbles into the pot.
He started
Pebbles.
what to
Pebbles.
pebbles.
Pebbles means, you know what is the meaning of pebbles?
Small pathar.
Small stones.
Small stone.
Yes.
So he threw pebbles in the pot.
Into
the pot. The water come. The water came up. So he drink water and go then. Then he go.
Yeah, then crow drank water.
Then crow drank water and
Flew away happily. Yes. Okay, tell me spelling of pebbles.
Pebbles.
Pebbles, yes. Okay, very good.
Ma'am, today we will also show picture.
Yes.
Share picture.
Yes, let me share a screen. Do you like picture description? What do we call it? Picture description.
Picture description. Yes, ma'am.
Yes, because we describe the picture, right?
Yes. I love describing pictures.
Okay, you love? Yes. Is it visible to you?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. First of all, tell me what this picture is about.
The picture is about a party of happy birthday.
Yes. This picture is about a birthday party. Yes.
Birthday party.
Yes. Can you describe it?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Continue.
There is a woman.
Yes.
Near one girl. The girl is cutting cake.
Yes.
Near the girl, there is two children clapping.
There are, because they are more than one. There are. If it is one, then there is. But now it is more.
There are two girls clapping. And one boy is making video.
Yes. One boy is clicking the picture. One boy is clicking the pictures.
The boy is taking a picture.
Yes. And can you see? There is a big pink banner on which happy birthday is written. Can you see pink banner?
Yes, ma'am. Near the blue curtain, on the blue curtain.
Yes. How will you say? There is a pink banner.
There is a pink banner of happy birthday on the blue curtain.
Yes. Very good.
Near the boy, there is a big yellow color table.
Yes.
There is a big table that has yellow color sheet.
Yes. Yes. Table cover.
Many sweets, popcorn,
Yes.
ice cream, and French fries are there.
Yes. There are tasty treats on the table. There are
There are tasty treats on the table.
like ice creams, popcorns, juices.
Like ice cream, French fries, and popcorn.
Yes. And one boy is standing there. Can you see
One boy is standing there and eating. He's eating ice cream.
Yes, he is wearing. Can you describe this? Can you describe this boy? He is wearing.
Yes, and he is wearing a cap of colorful colors.
He is wearing a
He's
colorful
wearing
cap.
a colorful cap. He's wearing a colorful cap, white socks,
No, red boot.
black shoes,
Okay, yes, black shoes.
sky blue knicker,
Yeah, shorts. We say shorts.
sky blue shorts, and yellow, white and red color t-shirt.
Yes, very good.
And one girl and one boy are also standing there. They are dancing.
Yes, some kids are dancing.
Some kids are dancing.
They are having fun. Right?
Ma'am, 1 minute.
Yes.
Mama! Mama! Pausing 1 minute. Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, phone is about to off.
Okay. Bye bye. Okay, no worries. So let's continue. 2 minutes left. Continue. So some kids are dancing and some kids are enjoying the food.
Enjoying the food, and here is also a table of yellow color sheet. That the boy is standing there that I described. He's holding this ice cream.
Yes.
And there are many trophies also in one sky color bowl.
Yes. And there are some decorations, right? Like
Yes, there is a teddy bear, balloons,
and
so
fairy
small.
figures. Fairy figure.
Yes,
Yes.
furries.
Yes. For fairy. We say fairy. Can you tell me spelling of fairy?
F-A-R-Y, F-A-R-R-Y.
No. F-A-I-R-Y.
F-A-I-R-Y.
Yes, fairy. Okay. Okay, Siraj. Lovely talking to you. Bye-bye.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye. Have a nice evening. Good night.